So I chose to do my research on tomato leaf development. Tomato leaves have compound leaves, which are actually leaves that have many different parts that are all on just one stem. As far as the hormones that are involved, I just picked the three main ones: auxin, GA or gerberellin, and cytokinin or CK. Auxin is just a major hormone that's actually present in all leaf development, not just tomatoes, all other plants. It helps create the fruit of the plants if it's a fruit-bearing plant, and it's the basis for abdaxial and adaxial development. If auxin is bothered, then that development will be bothered. So it could be either overexpressed or underexpressed. The second hormone, GA or the gibberellin, it's activated by pollination. It assists in the elongation of the plant, so it helps with height of the stem and helps with seed germination. It's basically also helps with leaf maturation. Increased levels of it can cause leaves to develop more simply, and decreased levels can actually cause more compound leaves to form in a plant because it is a growth hormone. So decrease can also cause shorter stalks. Increase will cause longer stalks. The third and final hormone is CK or the cytokinin. It's a developmental regulating hormone, and it affects noxy-proteins, which are determining factors in leaf shape and determines the complexity of the leaves. So when it's increased, the complexity increases, and vice versa. If it's decreased, the complexity in the leaf decreases. These hormones are just all important in tomatoes because you can also do research on other plants, and if they contain similar hormones, then you have background information for that. Plants are also part of the economical importance for the public. Tomato plants specifically. Research should, I think, be done possibly in different types of tomato plants. Like, none of the research that I found talked about the specificity of what kind of tomato plant they were using. I think different tomato plants could possibly have different hormones and different effects on them. There's also multiple hormones that are involved in tomato plants, not just the three that I named. So there was not much research on those, but I'm sure there's more research that could be done on the other hormones that are involved in tomato leaf development.